Hello everybody, today is the nice evening in Harrison Hot Spring Resort, and me and my husband are enjoying our anniversary day. So we are sitting in our little nice hotel on balcony and we are enjoying our drinks. So my husband Tiro will show you a nice beautiful Harrison lake and all area around. I hope you will enjoy the video and have a good evening. Bye!
Así es, está